Let me show you two different ways how to open SIM card slot on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So first, inside the box, if you look, you will have this SIM card ejector tool that you can use to open it up. So if you do not have, you can also get one yourself, or also you can use a tiny sewing needle as well to do the same job. So first, with this tool, what you do is you flip your phone like this, and you see you have the SIM card slot right over here. So, and what you want to do is you simply want to take this tiny tool and simply insert in the hole and push in. So like this, and then you see the SIM card slot actually pops out. Then you take your fingernails and essentially pull it out like this. And you have space for actually two SIM cards in this phone. So you see for SIM card number 1 on this side and SIM card number 2 on the other side. If you want to insert the SIM card, so you take your SIM card. Also you see the SIM card has got this tiny cutout on one side, and you have to align it as it's shown on the tray. And you insert inside and then you slide inside like this. So what if you do not have this SIM card ejector tool? Then you can also take like a small sewing needle, but again it has to be fairly thin, so you see, like very thin. And so how do you open with this sewing needle? So if you actually try to insert it directly in this hole, you will realize you can't really push very well inside. So what you do instead, you rest your phone like this, for example on a hard table. So you see how I'm doing. Okay. So essentially, so you see I will rest my needle on the table so it has support, and I will simply place it inside the tiny hole there, tip of the needle, and simply push my phone inside, and you will see that the tray actually pops out as well here. So you see, as easy as this. And when you insert it back in, make sure it's obviously completely flush on your phone. Okay, good luck.